Did we just use 100%?
Yeah, it seems like our anger got the best of us.
Wait. Just like Deku did, when his anger fucked him over!
But if that's the case, do you guys feel any bones broken? We used 100% and...
Huh. That's interesting.
Harry, is this your quirk? I'm sorry. Harry, what are you sorry for?
Last time I used my quirk, it made Papa go bye-bye. I don't want to make you go bye-bye.
Harry, don't think like that. As someone who's gone through the same thing you have, your quirk is special. You shouldn't hate it. Look at us. You're keeping our quirk from hurting us. Don't you see? You're helping us. Isn't that awesome?
Look at all the masses that you're fooling, but they'll turn on you soon. So how can you sleep or live with yourself? A broken soul trapped in the nastiest shell. You're more alone, emotional. Can't watch you die. You can hide, but you can't hide.
Uravity, have you secured the girl?
Yes, ma'am. We got the girl. Overhaul has been defeated.
Oh god fucking damn it, what now?
Jesus Christ.
Relinquish the girl, and I'll let you live. You have no idea what kind of power Harry possesses.
Hold on tight here. Not a chance!
You have the girl! We'll cover your ass! Let's go, loser!
We have your back.
Understood, you two! Harry, your quirk, it's not a curse. It is a blessing. And with your help, we can... No. I know we will stop Overhaul.
We haven't done this since we fought against All for One. It's gonna be risky.
Finally! Been wanting to boot some ass again! Let's do this!
It's now or never. Let's do this!
Line Burrow, full Callan, 100%!
With Harry, we can put an end to these curses, destroy quirks, and return them to their peak form. I can end this. I can save humanity, and cure this hero's sickness. An idiot like you could never properly exploit her power.
Is talking all that you do? Come on down here and get your ass handed to you, you fucking Godzilla knockoff!
Look out!
Colorado!
What the?
Damn, Ochako.
Doga? Ethan spotted.
Members of the League! Get them!
Ah, shit. Here they come. Welcome to my TED Talk!
It's time to go twice.
Get the hell back here!
Oh crap. This must be the downside. She could technically rewind me to the point of non-existence. It's okay. If I damage my body enough, then she'll only rewind that damage I took.
So I heard you started another fight.
And they just laid out a punk who was moving in on our turf. You know, trying to save our plummeting reputation.
Is that so?
Well, we have to set an example so they know who's boss around here.
I know you started another racket without my approval, but I told you not to get involved with drugs. Listen, I appreciate you're trying to repay me for taking you in, but you always take things too far, Chisaki. Don't stray from the path I laid before you.
Ideals won't turn back the tide. Why don't you get it, old man?
If my plan succeeds, there'll be no stopping the Shiea Saikai. First, during the initial research phase, we'll release some of the unfinished products. Let people catch a whiff. A drug that depowers heroes. It'll be irresistible. Then, once we've established a hunger for it, we'll sell the finished product for exorbitant prices, then sell the heroes a counter drug that reverses the effects, restoring rewound powers. We sell the bullets to the villains, and sell the serum to the heroes. And since Ares' flesh is the source of the drug, we'll have a complete monopoly on the market. Then, the Shiea Saikai will rule the entire world. It's
Chisaki!
perfect.
I told you to forget about this! She's a child! Do you even realize what you're saying? It's inhumane! If you're set on going against our ideals, then you have no place here.
You don't get it. You took me in. I just want to repay you. Not to worry. Just lay back and relax. I owe you everything. You were strong, but those diseased heroes backed you into a corner. And once my plan is in order, I'll repair you. And you'll thank me for what I've done. Pops.
It's mere sentimentalism. All you heroes. Stand in my way! We can't fucking save this little girl begging for help!
Then how can we even come close to saving everybody? Destroy Smash!
Wait a minute. Ares, Quirk. Harry, were you able to turn off your Quirk on your own?
No, I can't even start my quirk.
The fuck? Are you shitting me?
problem, guys?
Moto, you idiot! Now we can't make the drug! You just permanently erased your Quirk!
Sir, with all due respect, I was trying to save you.
Shit! Brace for impact!
Now or never!
My students!
Shoto, no! I will not let this stand! I'll kill all of you!
What?
What the hell is going on?
I don't know.
Shoto! Wait, did you guys do that? What just happened?
No, we're fine. Is everyone else okay?
Yeah, everyone else is fine, but the point still remains. What was that?
Oh, he's asking if we know. Well, we don't, you old fuck!
What was that?
I don't know.
What the hell? It's so strong, it's even shaking the air.
Huh? The fuck? Everyone at the ready!
Don't worry, I've got Lumillion.
Ah! What? What? No way!
What the? How are y'all so...
What the hell was... Deku.
What the hell is happening?
The fuck if any of us know, moron!
His eyes. They're red like before.
These trimmers. This isn't good. It almost feels as if One For All is being attacked by some unknown force. What the...
Where am I? What the? Last thing I remember is... Oh. It's gone? No shit, King. After all, this newfound power of ours, it allows us to heal from mere scratches.
Wait a minute, you! Wait, what do you mean this power? What are you?
Isn't it obvious? A mere coping mechanism. After all, you hate being angry, correct?
Yeah, of course. Being angry prevents me from doing my job. I'm not supposed to hurt people, I'm supposed to save people.
Here we go. Well, after all these years of you repressing your anger, hit it the vast majority of the time. So much that once you gained old Papa's power, the vestiges of the past oppressed me, creating a whole new realm for yours truly.
I don't understand.
Of course your pathetic ass doesn't get it. It doesn't matter right now. Know that I need control of your pathetic body.
Just this one minute. What? What the hell? No. Why would I let you do something like that? You crazy?
A little bit, but it's simple, really. Together, we could rule over this world. No, this universe and any other one. With your slightly better brain and my unmatched strength, no one can oppose us. Not even All Might. We'd be gods, deities. The greatest warrior we've ever seen. This entire cosmos has ever seen. Pure of heart and awakened by fury.
No, this isn't what I want. I don't seek power, I don't seek glory. I don't want to rule over people.
Use your pathetic brain for once, Izuku. If we rule, no one will ever get hurt again. We could bring peace through our strength. Kill anyone who tries to bring corruption to this world. We'd be safe. Your friends would be safe. Ochako would be safe. We'd be strong enough to slaughter all of our enemies. Can't you see that? Or are you too blind because of your pathetic heroism?
No, I can't do that. Freedom is the right of all sentient beings, and I'm not going to kill anyone.
Not even in the line of duty. Sometimes, Izuku, you have to kill someone for the safety of others. They didn't just think that they could change Osama, did they? No. They had to kill him for the greater good. And if you can't bring yourself to do that, what kind of a hero are you? And besides, it's not like you can fully stop yourself from killing someone. After all, I had control before you came to in your little conscience. And even now, your body's in a state of rage. Without any sort of mind guiding it, it's gonna kill anything that moves. Even your pathetic little friends.
What do you mean? Who are we fighting? What did you do?
Wouldn't you love to know? Well, I'll enlighten you. All I did was make it how things were supposed to be. How they used to be.
is this?
It's in your blood, your very veins. It's your natural order. You know, there's a history of us. Warriors, fueled by anger, it made them stronger. They accepted it, used it, until your dumbass dad came in and ruined everything with the ideal of saving lives instead of ending them. And now look at where he is, lying in a hospital bed. He might not even wake up. Do you really want to make that same mistake? Who are you gonna save then?
Leave my fucking father out of this! It doesn't fucking matter! Don't you get that? Don't you get it? I can't let my anger cloud my judgment. It's much more honorable to die doing something good than to just go apeshit and kill everyone who rubs me the wrong way!
Really? This is why you're weak. You're the one who doesn't understand, and that's why you're weak. If we work together, Overhaul won't be able to hurt anyone, ever again. But Izuku, if you refuse right here and now, neither of us are gonna have control. And your body will keep going berserk, and then everyone is going to die.
No, Overhaul can be handled another way. You gotta give in. You gotta... This can be handled differently. You can't do this.
Why would I give in to someone weaker than me? Someone who can't even use his own strength without killing someone. It doesn't matter whether or not you're gonna give me your body. If you don't want to hand it over willingly, then I'll take it for myself and leave whatever remnants of your soul remains in a coffin, long forgotten by this society.
Yeah. I won't let you do that.
Damn it. I can't even see him half the time. He isn't slowing down either. Is this it? Am I going to die like this?
I will save everyone. Goodbye.
United States of
Deku, stop it!
Don't. That's your 100%. You make me sick. You couldn't kill, and 100% nearly did that to me. You're
Midoriya, please, don't do
You gotta be
this.
shitting me.
Deku, come on!
Why did your friends have to come and ruin my flow? It doesn't matter. I'm still just enough to...
Listen to me! Harry and everyone else are safe! Please!
Damn it! You annoying brat. Your damn girlfriend, one of the only people who can keep calm and make your anger not be so constant. Alright, Asuko. Consider yourself lucky this time. Because next time I'll make sure no one can save you. Then we'll go over together.
Fuck!
You managed to calm him down. Well done. Just try and relax. We'll get you all to a hospital soon.
Oh, fucking finally.
Can't say I blame you, Shoto.
Does no one know who they're dealing with? Think I'll let it go, forget and forgive. The rage in me is terminal. There's no remedy but to burn them out. I still got a job to do, my mission's incomplete. Only a traitor would consider making peace. The princess has to pay for what she did that day, for what she took away. Storm's coming, I can see the clouds. No running gonna save you now. Hard rain is gonna fall down like gravity, like gravity. Foreign assets to hold me in debt. Blood to miss, but gonna get my hands wet. The flood's coming, now you can't bet on tragedy, like gravity. You think you're hell's great savior? Will you still when I return the favor? Take the one you need, make you watch them bleed. Will you break thinking now you couldn't save us? And you were there when they needed you, the only soul who's ever completed you. Maybe then you'll get a little heated too, and understand why this is what I need to do. Storm's coming, I can see the clouds.